Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a very important chapter called sets. Observe the definition carefully. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. The objects inside a set are called elements. Let us write the definition. Students, remember these two important words: well-defined, distinct objects. These are very important for examinations. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Now, let us understand a simple example of a set. The first 5 prime numbers form a set. Observe the notation carefully. Notice that every element is written only once. This is called rotor form. Pause the video and copy these notes. A set can be written by listing all its elements. This method is called the roster form. Observe carefully. A, 2, 4, 6, 8. The elements are separated by commas. The entire set is enclosed within QV brackets. Please pause and write these notes. Students, sometimes a set has many elements, so writing every element becomes difficult. In such cases, we use the set builder form. Instead of listing elements, we describe the common property of the elements. Observe the notation carefully. Here, X represents the elements of the set. The colon means such that. This reads as A is the set of all elements X, such that X is a multiple of 3 and X is less than 20. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us compare the two methods of writing a set. Observe both forms carefully. In the roster form, we list all the elements. In the set builder form, we describe the common property of the elements. Both represent the same set. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn two important symbols used in sets. The first symbol is belongs to. The second symbol is does not belong to. Observe carefully. This means the second molar belongs to set M. This means square does not belong to set M. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us write another example using the set builder form. Observe each part carefully. This means X can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Both forms represented the same set. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, before moving further, remember these important rules about sets. These points are frequently asked in examinations. 1. Order of elements does not matter. T. Repeated elements are written only once. For example, the set of letters in the word SCLOOS is S, C, H, O, L. The letter O is written only once because sets contain distinct elements. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Good students, now let us learn an important concept called the empty set. An empty set is a set that contains no elements. It is also called the null set or void set. Observe the definition carefully. Both symbols represent an empty set. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us understand the empty set using simple examples. Observe each example carefully. There is no natural number less than 1. Therefore, A is an empty set. No odd number is divisible by 2. Therefore, D is also an empty set. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, many learners confuse the empty set with the set containing 0. These two are different. Observe carefully. Remember, the empty set has no elements. But the set 0 contains one element, which is 0. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn about the universal set. A universal set contains all the objects under consideration. Observe the definition carefully. We generally represent the universal set using the capital letter U. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn the meaning of a subset. Observe carefully. If every element of one set belongs to another set, then the first set is called a subset of the second set. This is read as A is a subset of B. Every set is a subset of itself. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us understand subsets using an example. Observe carefully. Every element of set B belongs to set A. Therefore, B is a subset of A. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn about the proper subset. A proper subset contains some, not all, elements of another set. Observe carefully. A, E, I, O, U. Every element of B belongs to A, but A has additional elements. Therefore, B is a proper subset of A. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn how to represent sets using Venn diagrams. A Venn diagram is a simple pictorial representation of sets. Observe carefully. The rectangle represents the universal set. The circle represents set A. Every element inside the circle belongs to set A. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us learn the first operation on sets. It is called the union of sets. The union contains all elements that are in set A or set B. We read this as A union B. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us solve an example of the union of sets. Observe each step carefully. AUB. Noticed 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember that in the element 5 the union appears in both sets, but in repeated elements it is written only once. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn the second operation on sets. It is called the intersection of sets. Observe carefully. The intersection of A and B is the set of elements common to both sets. We read this as A intersection B. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us solve an example. A, 5, 6, the intersection of the following sets. B to kid 7, 8, 9, 10. A, 7B. Only the elements common to both sets are included. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, sometimes two sets have no common elements. Such sets are called disjoint sets. Observe carefully. There are no common elements. Therefore, A and B are disjoint sets. The intersection of two disjoint sets is always the empty set. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn the difference of sets. The difference means taking only the elements that belong to one set but not the other. We read this as A minus B. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us solve one example of the difference of sets. The elements 4 and 5 are common, so they are removed from set A. The elements 4 and 5 are common. 1, 2, 3. B, remember, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, two sets are called equal sets when they contain exactly the same elements. The order of the elements does not matter. Both sets contain the same elements. Therefore, A is equal to B. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, finally, let us learn about finite and infinite sets. Observe the difference carefully. A finite set has a fixed number of elements. An infinite set continues without end. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us learn about the cardinality of a set. Cardinality. Cardinality means the number of elements present in a set. Observe carefully. We use the notation NAA to represent the number of elements in set A. Example: there are 4 elements in set A. Therefore, NAA equals 4. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us solve another example. Count only the distinct elements. Now, the number of elements in set B is 5. Therefore, NB equals 5. Remember, count every element only once. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, now let us find the categoricity of an empty set. Observe carefully. Since the empty set has no elements, its categoricity is 0. 0. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, this is one of the most important formulas in this chapter. It is frequently asked in examinations. Observe carefully. This formula helps us calculate the total number of elements in the union of two sets. Please remember this formula. Pause the video and copy this formula. Students, now let us use the formula we have just learned. Observe every step carefully. First, add 5 and 4. Then, subtract 2. The final answer is 7. Please pause the video and copy these notes. Students, let us revise the important points from this chapter. These points are very useful in examinations. Memorize these points for better exam performance. Please pause the video and review these notes. Congratulations, students. Today we completed the chapter on sets. Let us quickly revise everything we learned. Practice textbook exercises regularly. This chapter forms the foundation for many advanced mathematics topics. If you found this lesson helpful, continue with the next chapter and keep practicing mathematics every day. Thank you for watching.